Hello, Apollo Elementary. I wanted to send you out a video and give everybody an affirmation um, and give you some feedback. We had a group of teachers come visit the building this last week from McPherson and from a couple of elementary schools there. There were principals and a couple of teachers that were with them. And they wanted to come and see a school that was in their first year of implementation of Capturing Kids' Hearts because they are as well. And so I shared a packet of information with them. We talked for a little bit, and then we did some observations in some classrooms, and they were blown away, quite frankly, at the way that we had implemented things so far. They said comments like, "You have social contracts in every classroom," and there were student greeters that came up to greet them when they came into a variety of different classrooms, and some of the ratings, social contract rating scales and things like that they saw kind of down in kindergarten. They saw some good things. So just a whole host and variety of Capturing Kids' Heart stuff that they saw, and they were blown away. And I think that it kind of spoke volumes to me as far as where we're at as at least implementing the things that we have said we're going to do, and that we've come together as a staff this year and done that. And I asked some questions to them and tried to learn some things. I had an opportunity to kind of brag on Project Lead the Way, and we got to step into that classroom for a while. So it was just nice to take people around and kind of show them not just the Capturing Kids' Heart stuff that's going on, but the academic stuff that we're seeing, or that I get to see every day when I'm at school. And so I just felt really good about the visit, and I wanted to pass on the positive feedback. You know, it does not very much to do with me, but more to do with all of you, from custodians, paras, teachers, office staff, and everybody in between. That's who really keeps things going. So I just wanted to let you know I appreciated that, and let you know how that visit went. And I'm sure I don't really love to do videos, but I thought that this would just be a nice little change of pace. So I may try to do some more of these videos if you can stand to listen to me for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I hope you have a great week and your conferences go well. Take care. Thanks.